Good morning, everyone. I'm Anaïs, I'm friend with Costa Dulce, and I'm going to share a little life hack with you today. So I'm an hypnotherapist, which means that I use hypnotic techniques in therapy sessions to help the brain and the body to learn something new. Hypnosis, for instance, can help recover from emotional traumas, learn something new real fast, or even get rid of stress and anxiety. It can also teach your body to work in different ways. So it can help you lose weight, sleep better, or boost your immune system. And this is what I really like to work on with you today, the immune system. So how does that work? Well, you first need to get in a very relaxed state. The more relaxed you are, the more the brain is willing to respond to this work we want to do with it. Then once you're relaxed, you'll just have to use a very simple tool we also use in meditation, which is visualization. Visualization is a very powerful way to teach your brain how to do new things. I'll explain with an example. Did you know that the part of your brain you use when you bicycle, for instance, when you think about bicycling, or when you see someone riding a bike, is the same? And then somewhere else in your brain there is this little extra bit of information that tells you this is present, this is past, this belongs to me, this doesn't belong to me. But still, you're training the same part of your brain. So when you're very relaxed and your brain is ready to learn, what you have to do to get your body stronger is visualizing your body being stronger and your immune system working better for it to improve. Do this on a regular basis and you'll feel better about winter coming back every year. And you'll also feel better about this whole coronavirus situation. Now, what do we know about the immune system? We know that the more relaxed it is, the better it is, and the more energized it is, the better it is. So let's teach it to be more relaxed and more energized. I'll guide you through it now, and then you'll be able to practice it on your own as often as you need. So, find a very comfortable position, either lie down on the floor or seated. Feel free to use background music if it helps you to relax. Then start paying attention to your breath and the sensation of your breath inside. How does your body move when you deep breathe in and you deep breathe out? Count 36 inhales and 36 exhales. When you're done, relax your breath. Stay there and contemplate. Does it feel like you've created more room in your body? Do you feel more calm? Maybe more anchored? And now you can start visualizing white light coming in and out of your nose, throat and chest as you inhale. The white light gathers in your heart space and slowly travels with the oxygen in your body to feed it, to feed your organs, your bones, your skin, and every single one of your cells. And the more you breathe, the brighter you get, the brighter you become. What's happening now is that you're feeding your cells with beautiful white light. As you're doing so, you'll soon start to feel more energized, calm and confident. Carry on breathing air up until you feel bright enough. With this new body made of life, then you can start testing the day-to-day situations as much as you want. At work, with family, with friends, and you can even try confronting microbes and viruses. Can they survive your very bright light? The answer is no. Even the tiniest candle would brighten up the darkest chaos. Light is always stronger than shadow. When you feel ready, just open your eyes and enjoy your life in this new body made of light. Thank you everyone, and thank you Costa Dulce. I wish you all a very beautiful yet quarantined day.